Hey folks, this is Erik coming from Kansas again. Today is February 12th, 2022. Just wanted to show you here so I made a video on installing some more solar panels up on our roof back last month, a few weeks ago, and they've been doing pretty well, getting over 4 kilowatt hours a day now, which is unheard of from our previous setup. They had additional 6 is definitely helping out. So in that video I mentioned we have another 6 to install yet. So the last 6 I installed, and these 6 here are all the same. They are a Renogy brand. I wanted to show you the specs on them here since I didn't talk about that in the last video. So if I get some good light on here, you can see them. 100 watts, like I said. Open circuit's 22.3. So with 6 of them together, that would be 66, 120, 132. Yeah, 132 volt open circuit, I believe. I'm doing my math right, something like that. So definitely well within the 150 volt max range of the solar charge controllers, the 6-7 series. And then we got 18.6 operating optimum voltage per panel, and 5.38 amps, and so on and so forth. So 600 volt DC rating. Anyway, wanted to show you the stats there on those panels, and after looking these over when we first got them, they're definitely a lot better. They were maybe $10 more per, no, I'm gonna say maybe $20 more per panel, but they're definitely a lot better. Look, a lot better quality. The ones I bought before were I guess a low profile, what you call it. So the aluminum was a lot thinner right here, and it was just really hard to get nuts and bolts back up underneath here to get your fasteners attached to whatever devices you were using that we were using to attach them to our ballasts up on the roof. But yeah, I'm just using these inexpensive little Z brackets, I think that's what you call them. Just got them off of eBay. And Renogy has their own ones, but they're like twice the price of these. So, and these work just fine for us. And they also come with these bags of bolts and nuts that are stainless steel, which is nice. So yeah, these are stainless steel, and these are aluminum, so you don't have to worry about things corroding very much over time. But yeah, so the inside of these, there's on the inside of the other ones we bought last year that I installed in February of 2021. There were just all sorts of there was just this glue here on the inside, and it wasn't perfect and didn't see it. You can tell it wasn't sealed all the way around, and it just didn't look professional. And I guess it's what you get for $20 less a panel. So get what you pay for. So I had to recock some of the stuff on the inside, and some of the seals on the outside of the panel on the other ones we installed last year. You could tell there's a lot of gaps and ways for moisture to get in. So I ended up having to recock a lot of those panels, which was kind of annoying. I did call Home Depot, this is where I got them from last year, and they did give me 10% off, but that's about all I could do. I didn't really want to send them back because I knew they'd work. It was kind of annoying. Anyway, so yeah, these Renogy ones are a lot better quality from what I can tell. And like I said, a lot a little bit higher profile so that make it easier to get bolts in back behind here. This box looks a lot better quality. The wires and the connectors, yeah, they're about the same from the other panels. Over here, move this light, and just want to show you the front here. So these are supposed to be monocrystalline as opposed to polycrystalline, which is what the other ones were installed last year. So they're a little bit darker in color, and they seem to be doing pretty good up. 6 we have on the roof already seem to be doing pretty good. So yeah, just seem a lot better made for $20 more panel. So anyway, so yeah, they're about $1 a watt, which is not the best price. I think you can get a lot of those 300 some odd watt panels for maybe half a watt, half $1 per watt of that, things of that nature. But those panels are just way too big for me to handle by myself, getting up on the roof, and this is just works better for what we're doing. The other thing I want to mention was the way I got tied into the panels we bought last year is we bought these extensions to extend the wiring to go to these last 6. And what these plug into is a parallel kit I bought that's also a Renogy brand. So it's like this, but it you plug it into your main line, and then the other end it splits off into 4 parallel branches that all combine into one. So that's what I've got on the roof, connecting the 6 we just installed. And then what I'll do is when I get these up there mounted, I'll just take these 2 extensions and just plug them into that parallel kit up there, and easy peasy. So anyway, just wanted to show you the stats there and what the panels look like. And also in the packaging, each of these came in their own box, and they also came with these foam pads as opposed to these foam brackets that fit over the corners, which is pretty nice to keep sharp edges off, and also to protect the panels in the box. So I think I'm going to actually keep these in case we end up moving somewhere. I've still got the boxes also. In case we end up moving somewhere, it'd be nice to put these panels back into and ship them off that way. So anyway, hope that was helpful understanding what the newer panels are that we just got. And I'll be installing them here pretty soon so we can get in some more power this year. But with that, I'll end the video. Grace and peace be with you. Bye for now.